Hola a todos. In this video I'm gonna show you how the tool works for this course. Here in the right side you can see my picture. This is my email, my phone number, my Sky account if you need me for meetings, tutoring section or interviews. Here in questions you are going to find different ways to communicate with me. So take a look here. And for example, if you click here in Preguntas, this is a forum in the 12 discussions that it is open for you in order to pose the question that you have related to the course. Okay, so you will also see here in announcements a welcome message that I have posted. Okay, so now let's go to materials, content. So I'm gonna give you a tour for our first orientation week and first week of class, and this is all the material you have to complete during this first week. Okay, so this is actually this video that we are watching now. This is a D12 tour de la semana, and then you have here your first quiz, syllabus quiz. So in order to complete this test, please read the syllabus that you will find here. Okay, then you will find a video that it will be about me and some information like about my hobbies, where I am professor, this kind of things. And this video will be helpful to complete your or participate in your first discussion that is called Algo sobre mí, where you are going to introduce yourself. Okay, so take a look, read the question, answer them, and if you want you can post a picture of yourself. Okay, so you will also find helpful documents. Here I will post different helpful documents and links that I consider you can use when you have like questions or something like that. So I have two videos. The first one is my Spanish lab registration, and this video is gonna explain how to register. For registration you will need your email, the course code that you will find in your syllabus, and an access code which comes with your book. Okay, my Spanish lab tour. In this video I'm gonna show you how my Spanish lab looks when you are inside. And you know, if you have any question related to my Spanish lab, please let me know by email or in Preguntas forum in the 12. Okay, now if we go to week 1, yeah, first you have what you're gonna find our Guía Didáctica chapter 1. If you click here you will see a schedule that I have created for you. It will be helpful to organize your time and work in this class every day, so it will be like a really helpful tool for you in order to be on time with all your assignments. Okay, then you will have your first activity. So every single week you will be talking about different countries. So this time we are going to talk about the United States. So you will find a video and an activity in my Spanish lab that you will have to complete. So if you go here to my Spanish lab, you have to be careful because say that the due date is May 25th. So if you go to calendar, you will see here that you have an assignment for May 25th, so you will click here and you will be able to see the activities that you have for this day. So you can say here view, you will watch the video. Yeah, I have paused this video because I have the subtitles in English, so it will be helpful for you. And then if you go here, you will be able to complete the activity related to this video in My Spanish Lab. Okay, so once you you finish the activity, you will just submit for grading and I will be able to check your answers. Okay. Every single week we will have like different mini lessons where I explain you different topics. Yeah, and you have to study vocabulary too. That will be helpful for the quiz. Your quizzes will be about vocabulary most of the time. Okay, so here you have vocabulary capítulo. It means all the vocabulary that you will have to learn through the chapter. So if you go here, page 16, you will see the vocabulary you can practice. If you click here, you will be able to practice pronunciation. Okay, so you will be studying the vocabulary and completing the activities that I say here that you have to complete. For example, the due date for these activities is May 26th. So if you go here to My Spanish Lab, if you go to May 26th, you will see all the activities that you have to complete. So I say here that you have to complete this activity, so 1, 2. So you will have to find the activity and you will complete the activity. Okay, so I think that it will be here. So you click here, view, you will have the activity and you will complete. Okay, then you will have our first mini lesson. I explain here different topics, so you will watch the video. I provide you like the way to follow the instructions. So you will follow the instructions, you will complete the activities, and the way that I will grade this is through the grades that you get in My Spanish Lab. Okay, so you will have different mini lessons. You will complete every mini lesson, and when you are done with the mini lessons, you will have to create a video. You will have to create a video every single week. So this is the first video. I describe here what do you have to do and the way that you will post. Here I say where do you have to post the video. So if you click here, you will go to Dropbox on the 12th and you will post your video here. The link you will paste in a Word document, the link of your video, and I will be able to create it. Okay, and then you will have your first quiz. All the quizzes and exams will be in My Spanish Lab. You will be able to find, I haven't posted here because you will have some days to do it, but when I post, you will be able to see your quiz and your exam here. Okay, then you will have a checklist. This checklist is a tool which will be helpful to know all the activities you have to complete for this first week or for every single week. So it will be the way that you will be working through the course. So I hope that this video be really helpful in order that you understand how the course will be. If I go here and I view as a student, you will be able to see here in assessment grades, like all the activities that you will have to complete. So we have quizzes, oral interviews, the homework, it will be my Spanish lab, worksheets, extra activities, the video discussions, chapter exams, and the final exam. Okay, so I hope that you really enjoyed this class, and if you have questions, please, you know the way to communicate with me. Okay, adiós, hasta pronto.